Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Andrew. If this is your first time here, don't forget to click the subscribe button below para every time na mag-upload ako ng bagong videos ko, updated kayo. For today's video guys, nandito na naman kami sa Kawit, Medellin. Currently, nandito kami sa Dagat Beach Camp Resort. I have my friend over here.
Yay! It's my first time. Sabi mo hindi tayo magbaban, Drew. But ang ending, nagban tayo, Drew.
Kasi I had a bad experience sa van last time nung pumunta tayo dito. I have a question. How many hours is the travel time? Galing sa atin, sa may Liloan.
Sa Liloan, 11 plus 12, 1, 2. Mga 3 hours. Bigla ang ulan, yung malakas na buhos ng ulan, tapos bigla na may araw, tapos bilang umulan ulit. It's really weird, but it's the weather.
How much is the fare?
The fare? Ay, ano lang to ha, from atin lang.
Sa may Kotkot.
Kawit. 250 siya guys, per head.
Diretso na siya. Dito na siya sa may highway.
Kasi nga, van ang sinakyan natin.
By the way, kung saan tayo nag-stop over kanina, the food over there is very delicious.
What did you get, Drew?
Munggo at intestines na parang...
Anong tawag?
I'm not really sure.
Wait, alam ko yan eh. Later. So, masarap naman, Drew.
Masarap siya, masarap.
May rate ka bang nalalaman?
Yeah, I'm going to give it 1 to 5. 5 of course. Kasi sulit na siya because yung rice nila, well cooked. Ganun talaga. Dapat yung rice talaga, masarap talaga to. At yung ulam nila, masarap yung ulam nila. Yung munggo at yung intestines.
Oh, so
and also, it's affordable.
Okay, so
how much was it? 120 pesos only. 2 rice, 2 ulam. Saan ka pa?
Akala ko sa first stop, yung Carmen bus stop ba? Yung Bongga din.
Yeah.
But hindi pala, lumampas siya. Doon siya sa medyo maliit lang, but kaya rin na, nakaihi naman tayo. We brought the rice.
Oh, nagdala pa kayo ng rice.
We bought mani, Drew. Mag-call ba tayo, Drew? Kasi yun lang, 4.
How about the chips?
4 lang. Oh, 2 chips and then rice and yung peanuts.
Peanuts.
Walang ulam din. Ito tayo sa coffee shop. It's called Layag.
Tel, what is your order?
So guys, I ordered salted caramel latte. Yan siya.
Masarap.
Yeah.
How many stars will you give it?
Sige, 4.
4 stars.
Yeah.
Ano yung order mo, Jones?
I ordered Americano. Iced Americano.
How will you rate it? 1 to 5, 5 is the highest.
Nothing special, just Americano.
4 stars.
Just only 80 pesos.
At yung order ko guys is the Spanish Cafe Latte. It's only 410 pesos. Same lang yung price guys. It's only, I think, small size. This is what it looks like. Let's try it. Let's try the Spanish Cafe Latte from Layag. milky. I'm not really sure how a Spanish cafe latte would taste like. Try ko muna i-mix guys kasi parang yung nalasahan ko is the milk. Take 2. Masarap siya guys. You should mix it first before you drink it. I'm going to give this 4 stars. And this is our view at the moment. The view of the beach. I'll give you an update later kung mag-swimming na kami. See you in a bit. Dito na po yung pagkain namin guys. So we've ordered the bangsilog. This is what it looks like. They actually have 2 slices of fish, fried egg, of course may rice, and this is only for 130 pesos. At yung order pala ni Crystal guys is the corn silog. It only cost us 120 pesos. Meron na siyang corned beef, fried egg, and 1 cup of rice. At yung order pala ni Jomar guys is the tosilog. So it only cost us only for 120 pesos guys. Meron na siyang tocino, fried egg, and 1 cup of rice. Si Crystal nag-order siya ng additional drinks. How much is it, Tel? Magkano ba yung coke dito, Tel? Isa ka litro.
Huwag ka mahiya, Drew. Ipakita mo. Ito ba nahiya, Drew? 50 pesos lang. 50 pesos lang, guys. Nagpanggap lang ako na nagkape-kape.
Wow, si Crystal.
Tingnan yung kape ni Jomar. Nasa ano pa? Almost half. Kay Andrew, half. Talo ka.
Maubos mo ba yan, Tel?
Wala, sinasabi mo.
Oh my God, are you scheduling?
Drew? Hello, Drew.
How is that tosilog?
Think for the place and how they prepared, gano'ng karami, okay lang yung presyo.
And will you recommend it?
Oo naman.
How will you rate your food here? 1 to 5 out of the highest. Masarap ba? Will you recommend it?
May guest pala tayo guys.
Say hi to... Hi, Chan!
Si Cornelia.
Ay, si Cornelia na pala to.
Pusa yan ano, may Taylor Swift doon. Hindi mo alam. Minamata ni Cornelia ang bangus mo. Boneful. Hindi siya boneless, okay? Tatry ka na. Oh my God. It tastes like bangus. Sakto lang. Very bangus. Yeah. Hello kay Judith. Get well soon. Si Joy. Kasama siya sa ganap ni Ju. Si Chan Chan. Umuwi na naman siya sa ano niya, farm. Pero sabi niya, hahabol daw siya. Charot. Napasan ko sa chat. Try niya daw umuwi ng Saturday. And if makahabol siya, habol daw siya.
We're going to try the bangsilog. So ito po yung bangus nila guys. Let's try it. Let's dip it on soy sauce. Let's mix it with egg and rice. Let's see. Sarap siya guys. It's super delicious. So try nyo na. This is only for 130 pesos. Masarap din ito, you know. I'm going to give it 4.5 stars sa mga silog nila. I'll see you in a couple of minutes. Tara, let's eat! kumain at magtambay doon sa may cafe nila. And right now, we're gonna go
Out and multiply. This is really what we are looking for. Charot lang. Oh my gosh! Are you ready? Follow me.
Sobrang lakas talaga ng ulan. The people who are renting the tents or who are staying here for a night using their tents, guys, kawa talaga kasi malakas talaga yung ulan, parang mababasa talaga yung tent nila. So good luck na lang. Buti na lang, guys, ito yung na-reserve namin dito sa dagat, yung small parka. Malaki siya konti at hindi pumapasok yung ulan. That is our room, a sneak peek of our room. At the moment, it's currently low tide. So let's see kung makapag-swimming kami ngayon sa dagat. But for now, maliligo muna kami ng ulan. I'll see you in a couple minutes, guys. Enjoy this view of the place. Hindi na namin natapos yung aming swim-a-thon kasi sobrang lakas talaga ng ulan at malakas yung kidlat. Oh my god, guys, I'm so terrified. Bakot na lang kami doon kanina sa my beach area kasi natatakot na si Jomar at si Cristel.
It's natural phenomenon, guys. Ano ba? So, kanina... Let's hope na mag-stop na siya, that she got her moment, and we will continue our camping.
What I've noticed, Cristel, is that there's still daylight. Tignan mo, parang maganda yung araw doon, pero dito sa atin, umuulan at kumikidlat. Do you see that? No. Umabot yung
Oh my
ulan.
God, buti naman dumating ka.
Sa Carmen, sa Sogod, and then all the way here in Medellin, Kawit. So nakahabol yung ulan sa amin, guys. Hindi kami tinatanon.
Dapat ganun kayo. Habol kayo. Charot.
Tsaka habol ka pa ba?
Pero may mga chill pa dun, oh. May nagduduyan. Maraming ano dito, guys. Barkadahan, family, couple.
Even when it's raining, dapat...
Dapat maintain ka lang sa poise, Drew. Ano ba, Drew? Kuya, wag.
Kuya ba?
May bagyo ba? Comment down below. It's a good thing na ano lang tayo. Hindi tayo nag-travel by the sea.
Time check, it's already 4:29.
Ayun. For pa naman, guys, bigyan natin ng moment ang thunder and
Rain.
ulan. Bigyan natin sila ng moment.
It's a great place to hang out with your friends, mag-camping, mag-reunion.
While it's raining.
While it's raining, wag naman. Wag kayo mag-tent. Wag kayo mag-tent, guys, pag tigulan. Only on summer days or
Pero
summer
paano
months.
pag bigla na lang umulan, Drew?
Wala kang choice.
Then pala yung... Oh my
Laban
gosh,
pa
guess
rin.
what? Ang lumalaban.
Lumalaban si Jomar.
Dapat kung may thunder, mag-stepping kayo. I-try natin ang challenge na maligo tayo habang umuulan.
We're just gonna hang out by our tent and wait for the rain to stop. See you later, guys.
Much later.
The rain has passed and the sunset is emerging. Yan island na yan, nasa harap namin, guys, is the Fantastic Island.
Time check.
5:40 in the afternoon.
Nag-stop ang ulan, mga 5:20-ish.
Five.
Oh my gosh. Charot lang, guys. Ang dry, diba? Low tide na kasi, ano ba? Pag ano siya, high tide siya, maganda siya, guys. I think there will be a red-orange moment later. Ayan, guys, oh. Kita ba?
Konting-konti lang talaga.
Do you see it? Oh my gosh, you don't see it?
Yeah,
Oh
just
my
a
God.
little bit. If you don't see it, that's the sunset.
Ano ka ba, Drew? Hindi naman talaga tayo talagang bongga nagplan. Ano lang to? Char.
Quick
Impromptu.
getaway.
Nag-chat sa dagat. Do you have like for 3? Ganon, meron. So, we're here right now.
Since this is your first time, what's your first impression?
Malapit siya sa dagat.
Ah, ganun. Literal.
Okay siya sa mga talagang camping-camping talaga. Ganda yung place. Hindi mo siya masikip. Kahit marami ngayon, guys. It's Saturday, ha? I think
Fully booked.
sumisikat na. Feeling ko, fully booked sila ngayon kasi maraming tent. Pero hindi siya masikip, ha, in fairness. Then, meron silang CR talaga, may shower, separate, and then tatlo ata, which is enough
Yeah.
na. Yung easy lang, access sa food, kaya lang may oras, but at least no. Did you think that you're prepared for today? Anong wala tayo do?
Yeah, I
Wala akong
actually
ano.
forgot the power bank.
Ako din.
Yun na nga, tapos
Wala akong power bank.
blackout ngayon.
Kayo,
Good luck to us.
meron silang parang emergency light.
Like,
Pero pag walang kuryente, wala talaga. Aside sa sleeper, sa power bank, do you think you're prepared for today's video?
I'm not. Yung sunblock nakalimutan ko din.
Wow.
May sunblock ba ba ako?
Wow, talagang may sun.
Babalik kami dito and we're gonna be prepared, okay?
The sunset is gone. Charot. If you can just feel what I'm feeling with the wind, ang ganda.
Enjoy this beautiful view of the beach.
Drink our hot coffee na ngayon, iced na siya.
See you later, guys. Just a quick update, guys. It's already 8:16 in the evening. At nandito na po yung pagkain namin, guys. This is our dinner for tonight. So we're gonna end it with a silog. We actually ordered again the bang silog. This is actually the bangus fish sliced in two. And we have fried egg, one piece of rice. This is only for 130 pesos, guys. And we have corn silog. We have the corned beef, the fried egg, and as well as the rice. At yung order ni Crystal, guys, it's the same thing. And we have another corn silog. And yung kay Jomar, bang silog din. And we brought our extra rice.
Yes, it's the time.
This is our food. Kakain muna kami. Let's eat, tara. Come on, let's eat our dinner.